SkyDrive is Microsoft's online cloud file storage service. If you're currently a SkyDrive user, you can access your files that are on SkyDrive right from Outlook. Now, programs like Word and PowerPoint will let you save files directly without having to download an app. But to use it with Outlook, you need to use it in what's called desktop mode. So you first need to go to apps.live.com and download the SkyDrive app. Now, I've already done that, so I'll show you what we can do with it. I've got an email up that currently has an attachment in it. The first thing I want to do is save the attachment to my SkyDrive. Now, we'll talk a little bit later about how to actually work with emails and attachments, but this is just to show you what SkyDrive can do. So I'm going to click on this attachment, right-click, and choose Save As. Now, this should look familiar to you, but on the left-hand side, we now have a SkyDrive link. I can double-click on any folder in my SkyDrive and click Save. And now that attachment has been saved to my SkyDrive account. So any computer where I can log into SkyDrive, I can now access that file. I can also come over here and click on New Email. If I want to insert an attachment from SkyDrive, it works kind of the same way. I can click on Attach File, and in the same dialog box that comes up, I can find SkyDrive on the left-hand side. I can come into my folder structure, choose the file I want, and click Insert. It's pulling this file right from SkyDrive. Now there's one last thing I want to show you. I'm going to close out of this email. I can actually connect up to my Office account with SkyDrive and insert pictures directly into my emails. I'm going to click on File and come down to Office Account. From here, I can sign into Office. If you already have a SkyDrive account, that means you have an Office account, and you can use your SkyDrive account to sign in. So I'm going to click Microsoft Account and sign in with the same sign-in that I used to sign into SkyDrive. Click Sign In, and I've just signed into my Office account. And you can see that I've already connected up to SkyDrive. Now, let's suppose that you'd already signed into Office using Outlook and later signed up to a SkyDrive account. It wouldn't show up here, but that's okay. You can just come down to Add a Service, choose Storage, and sign into SkyDrive right from here. I'm going to hit the back button and show you what we've done. So now I can create a new email. I can come to the Insert tab and choose an online picture. Now I can actually choose from my SkyDrive account. I can click on it, and it's going to browse directly to the Pictures folder. I can choose anything in my Pictures folder, choose Insert, and it's pulled it directly from my online SkyDrive account. If at any time I want to remove SkyDrive and stop using it in Outlook, I can just go back. I'm going to close out of this email first. I can go back to File, click on Office Account, and choose Sign Out. It's going to remind me that once I sign out, I can't actually get into any of these services anymore from Outlook, and that's okay. I'm going to choose Yes. I hit the back button, and now I'm no longer connected to SkyDrive. So that's how you work with SkyDrive in Outlook.